Welcome and congratulations on your new LX3000 diffuser. We're delighted that you've chosen us to elevate your space with an exquisite fragrance experience. In this video, we'll guide you through a seamless unboxing and setup so you can begin enjoying your diffuser effortlessly. Inside the box, you will find everything thoughtfully prepared for you: a detailed user manual, a power cable, a small accessory bag, a magnetic key card to unlock the oil chamber, wall mounting screws, an HVAC connector, HVAC tubing for integration with your central air system, and your LX3000 diffuser, pre-programmed for an effortless setup. Begin by placing your diffuser in the area you wish to scent. Connect the power cable and observe the display as your diffuser comes to life. To access the fragrance chamber, gently insert the magnetic key card into the central slot. Lift the atomizer top to reveal the fragrance canister. Unscrew the atomizer and pour in your chosen fragrance, ensuring any protective seal has been removed. Reattach the atomizer to the canister, then place it back into the oil chamber, aligning it perfectly. Close the chamber carefully. Press the power button. Check the screen. Connecting to your HVAC system, optional. Using the included tool, carefully unscrew the silencer from your diffuser. Insert the HVAC connector where the silencer was, securing it firmly. Attach the tubing to the HVAC connector. Create a small, nickel-sized opening in your ducting for the tubing to pass through. Position the tubing carefully and seal the opening with aluminum tape, ensuring an airtight fit. Your LX3000 is now ready. Relax, indulge, and let your space be enveloped in a sophisticated 5-star fragrance experience.